Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a huge haul. I have everything from skincare to makeup to food to personal care to nails. We have a lot today. I think I have to make this video into two parts, like part 1 and part 2, because the haul is going to be huge. And all of these things I have bought some before the lockdown started and some after the lockdown started. So I'm combining everything and showing you guys everything that we have, and I haven't done a haul since a lot of time now, so here's a big haul for you guys. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Let's start with food first. The first thing that we have is the Naturelens Organics with Dalia. This is how the packet looks like. This packet contains 500 gram and it costs for rupees 54. So you all know that oats and dalia are very good for breakfast. And I'm not the biggest fan of oats. I can eat it but I don't really like it, but I love dalia, so I got this. I got 5 of these. Each contains 500 gram, as I already mentioned. So if you're someone who is looking for like healthy breakfast options, I think you can get this because dalia is very good for breakfast. Then we have pasta. For pasta I ordered the Kia or Kea durum with semolina pasta. This is how the packet looks like. I got 2 to 3 of these in different sizes and shapes. I got a shell one, like a shell pasta, then a penne pasta. This is the macaroni kind of pasta, yeah. Then I also got the spiral pasta, so we have a lot, 3 to 4. So this is made up of durum wheat and semolina. So usually what happens, the pastas that we get in our local markets are made up of maida, and maida is very bad for our health. So whenever you want to eat pasta, always buy the durum wheat one, or like durum wheat plus semolina one, because this is very healthy. We have a lot of biscuits from Farmlight. The first one is the oats and chocolate biscuit. This is how it looks like. Then we have oats and raisins. This is the oats and raisins biscuit. This is how it looks like. And third are these are oats and almonds. So it comes in a pack of 6. So these are really healthy biscuits because they are not made up of maida. Every other biscuit that is available in the market is made up of maida, and again that is bad for our health. But these are made up of good ingredients like oats and like healthy ingredients, and these are really good for like everyday consumption, so I got all of these. The inside packaging of the biscuits look like these. You get 8 of these and each packet contains 2 biscuits. The need of the hour immunity boosters. I got the Dabur Tulsi Drops 100% Ayurvedic immunity booster. This is how it looks like. It says that it builds immunity, it has antioxidant properties, it also gives relief from cough and cold, and it also builds the respiratory health. So this is something I think everybody should consume. I'm not a doctor, I'm just saying because it's an immunity booster, and now that it's really important to stay healthy, everybody should consume some immunity boosters. So how you need to consume is that you need to put 5 to 10 drops of this in hot water or chai and then sip it slowly. Then I have the Dettol hand wash. This is how it looks like. This packet contains 750 ml and it costs rupees 109, and it's really important to keep washing your hands, so don't forget to do that, and this packet will last you for 6 months very easily. Then I have the Biotic hair color. This is how it looks like, and it costs for rupees 250. So I got this for my mom. She colors her hair and she was really impressed by this. It was the first time she used it, and it is in the shade 3 and darkest brown. She told me that it gave her very natural color and it doesn't smell like harsh chemicals. A lot of hair colors smell really bad, but this one smells really nice. Then I got few nail paints from Faces Canada. The first one is named as Viola. This is how it looks like. This color is very pretty. Then we have a white one. It's called White Oh White. This is how it looks like. Then we have a black one and it's called Black Beauty. This is how it looks like. Then we have ginger. It's a really pretty color. And lastly we have plum. It's kind of like a nude color for my skin tone, and this is very nice. So on Nykaa these are best sellers and a lot of people like them. I admit that these are very affordable, but they are not the best. They lasted on my nails for like 2 to 3 days, not more than that. And if you don't do any household work, then they might last for a little longer, but I do a little bit of household work and they are really not long lasting. but for the price these are kind of good. I'm really impressed by the Faces Canada Dip and Twist Nail Enamel Remover. This is how the bottle looks like. This is a lifesaver. This is such a nice product. So if you're someone who loves removing nail paints very frequently and applying new ones, then this is the product that I'll highly recommend you guys to buy. So it's really easy to use. You don't need to use cotton pads for this one. So all you need to do is that open it up, and then it has a sponge inside, and this sponge has nail removers, and all you need to do is just dip your finger and just twist it, and your nail paint will be removed in just like some seconds. This is just the best thing that I have found, and I think if you like frequently keep on changing your nail paint, you should really get this. I also bought the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is how it looks like, and it's in the shade Medium Tawny. Medium Tawny is my highlighting shade, and if your skin tone is around NC40, then this is going to be your concealing shade, which means you can use this to kind of like do your no makeup look. So this is a really nice everyday concealer, provides you medium coverage. It's really similar to the Fit Me concealer, I feel, and the only thing is that if you have premature fine lines or even fine lines, this will settle into those. So if you don't have fine lines, you can give this a try. Then I got the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This is how it looks like. I really like the packaging because it is very travel friendly. The shade that I got is not something that matches me. I got it in the shade 10 Golden Hour, and it will suit NC40 people very nicely, but for me it's a little light. And for NC42, I'm not sure. A lot of NC42 people use the shade True Toffee, but a lot of them says that it oxidizes very badly, so I don't think I'll get that shade. And how I'm using this one is that I'm using this with foundations that oxidize a lot, so that's how I'm using this. I don't want to waste this, that's the reason why I'm using this. But apart from the shade, I really like the foundation. It is neither too matte nor dewy. I think this will suit all different skin types. If you moisturize well, then I think this will suit all different skin types. And it blends very nicely. It provides you medium to mid-level coverage. Looks really nice on the skin, but I think the shade range is not really nice. I got a new setting spray, and it's the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. This is how it looks like. This, hands down, has been my favorite makeup fixer or setting spray. The mist of this one is so nice. It is so fine. It just sprays so beautifully, and it just takes away all the powderiness, gives you a dewy finish, and sets everything very nicely. So if you're looking for a new setting spray, I'll highly recommend this. I got one more product from PAC, and it is their moisture lotion. This is how it looks like. I love that it comes with a pump, so it minimizes the wastage of the product. And this is a really nice lotion if you have dry skin. This is very moisturizing, and what happens to me is that no matter how moisturizing moisturizers or primers I use, after some time my skin becomes dry. I feel like everything sinks into my skin, and it doesn't keep my skin hydrated throughout the day. But this one is very beautiful. It just keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day, and no matter how matte a foundation is, if I use this under that foundation, it just keeps my skin very hydrated and very juicy. So I really like this product, and yeah, if you have very dry skin, I think you should get it. I finally got a bottle of Bioderma. This is how it looks like. Every other person on YouTube loves Bioderma, so I really wanted to give this a try, and I have to say that it is worth your money. It is a really nice micellar water. I know it is pricey, but trust me, this bottle will last you for a very good amount of time. I got this in the 500 ml variant. And the micellar water is very nice. If you have sensitive skin, you don't need to worry. This is not gonna tingle or irritate your skin. And even if you have any type of skin, this will suit you. And even if you have oily skin, this will be really nice for you because it doesn't feel oily or greasy. I know the Garnier ones are also very famous, but the Garnier one, which is in the waterproof variant, I have used that, and if you have super sensitive skin, it will irritate your skin a little bit, but this one will never. So I think if you can invest your money, you should really get a Bioderma bottle. I really don't know how long this video is, so I'm stopping here. So this is the part 1 of the video, part 1 of the haul, and the part 2 I'll film it very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video and found this video helpful, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell button besides the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. You can share this video with your friends and comment down below what other videos do you guys want me to make, and I'm gonna see you all with my next video very soon. Till then, take care, bye.